Hey everyone, let's understand try with resource with a very basic example. So here I'm creating a JDIS connection pool, right? So for the first example where I'm using JDIS that is borrowed from the connection pool and I'm not returning. So here I'm printing number of active connections. Number of active connection means that a JDIS connection has been borrowed but not returned, right? So again when I'm returning it back and then printing like what is the number of JDIS active connections, right? And then the same thing when you print here it is going to say 0, but this place it is going to say that the active connections are 1. But the same thing, this manual process can be ignored and can be achieved using try with resource. So I'm fetching basically JDIS connection in try block, and I'm using for my desired need, and then I'm not returning it manually, right? But the try will take care of it, and it will return the connections to the pool automatically, right? So let's see, let us run this example and see what happens. Here if you see, for the first case it is telling that number of active connection is 1, but when I return it back, then it is saying that active connection is 0, right? And then the same can be achieved using try with resource, and you don't need to manually return it back to the pool, right? So this is the safest way to use any connection that is borrowed from a connection pool. So be it MySQL or Redis, this is the way it should be used.